Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And if you have been on this channel before, please don't forget to share to other users, YouTube users, so that they get to know the interesting contents in this video and on my channel. And if it's still your first time, I would like to say welcome. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe on the channel at the end. Don't forget to comment, share and like and subscribe, such that this information reaches to a wider range of people and you'll be able to get notification instantly as soon as another video is uploaded. And this channel is dedicated to those who are yet to start their journey on how to use their computers. And basically this video has been made to those who want to learn how to come up with a table of contents. You can't just go and type it. So we have methods of how to actually get our table of contents here. So I already have a typed document here for which you are going to get a table of contents. Exactly this one. So this is the table of contents. How are we going to achieve this? When you want to get the table of contents, you have various sections and chapters and headings which will want to fit in the table of contents. So what you are going to do is you come here to headings, come to normal. Let's highlight the whole document. Highlighting it, you press Ctrl A, then you come to normal, we modify it. How do we want our normal to be? Normal, we are reducing the spaces between the paragraphs and the text. We're increasing them. Want it to be, yes, at 12, font size 12, and then we're taking to new documents based on this template. We hit OK. Let's see how our normal looks like. Then basically for the table of contents, look what we have. Let's see what we have. Come down. Let's come down and see what we have. Where is that? Yeah, chapter 1. This is chapter 1. We start from chapter 1. Chapter 1. Nemo. That's heading 1, right? Heading 1. Chapter 1. We modify it. How do we want it to appear? The color is black. Want to change the color to light gray. Then we reduce the spacing, increase it by 2. We don't want it to be okay. We want it to be in italics but bold, and we're applying it to the whole document, right? Yeah, that's it. You see, text immediate effect. So under chapter 1, what are we having? We're having this introduction. Want introduction. That's how we want the introduction to appear in small letters, right? Yes, not bold but italics, Latin, black, all over the documents. Yeah, this is for our background. We want it to appear that way also. This one we still want it to appear that way. We're changing it right. rationale for designing strategic plans. Want it to appear that way. That's all under chapter 1. Then process of starting strategic, all that way. Scope and coverage of the plan. Want it to appear that way. Structure of the strategic plan. Want it to appear like this. There, yeah, that's it. Then we come to chapter 2. Chapter 2, that we are giving it heading 2. How do you want it to appear? Right? Want it to appear bold, in italics. What color do you want it to be? Let's say we want our chapter 2 to appear red, right? Then we are reducing it, then increasing it. Want it to appear in new documents, right? You see, that's what I'm meaning. Now come here. This is heading 2, chapter 2. Heading 2, chapter 2, 2.1. This is still heading 2, chapter 2. Still heading 2, chapter 2. Heading 2, chapter 2. Still heading 2, chapter 2. That one is under heading 2, chapter 2. This is heading 2, chapter 2. Chapter 2 still. Yes, chapter 2. Yeah, chapter 2. This is how we continue with the work. When you read chapter 3, you also click heading 3. Chapter 4, you click chapter heading 4. Like that. That's how you continue with it. So, where do we come? We come to references. We are talking about the table of contents. So where we want our table of content to be is right here. Yeah, want our table. Where do I want our table of content to be? It's here. Table of contents. Right. So you choose table of content. You choose how you want it to be. So this is how it is. Yeah, as you can see, this is how easy it is to create a table of contents. Very simple, easy to learn and easy to understand. Please, if you have not understood, you can write it, you can comment in the comment section and I'll be able to answer your questions, right? And if you want a review of this video, we shall be doing it. But don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, especially if you want to get another notification, instant notification when we upload another video. Thank you. I hope this is a platform from which you can learn. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section. Thank you.